how to fix Steam games that are not launching. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to fix your Steam games when they are not launching. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is just go to our Steam library right here, and then after that what you want to do is just to find the game that is not launching in your Steam. So for example, I will choose Terraria right here, and then once you found the game that is not launching, what you want to do now is just right click the game, go to properties, and then after that go to installed files. And then what you want to do is just to verify integrity of game files. So just click on that and then just wait for this loading screen to finish. And then after that, you will see this notification right here when it's done. So it says right here, so all 14,000 files have successfully validated. And then once you're done, you can now launch your Steam game. But if that's still not yet working, what you want to do is just go to Steam right here and then just go to settings. And then after that, what you want to do is just go to downloads. And then what you want to do now is to just clear download cache. So just click on clear cache right here and then just click on confirm, and then it will shut down Steam and then it will start updating Steam, and then after that it will ask you to log in. So just log in your account again, and then after that it will launch Steam again. And then after that what you can now do is to just relaunch the game again. And if that doesn't work, what you can do is to just uninstall and reinstall the game. But if that also doesn't work, what you want to do now is to update your graphics drivers and update your Windows. And yeah, those are pretty much the ways on how to fix Steam games when they are not launching. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix Steam games when they are not launching.